Good morning. It is currently 6:26 and I'm getting a bit of a later start today because I laid in bed for half an hour watching TikToks, but let's get ready. But I work 7:30 to 3:30 today. I normally work 6 to 2 or 7 to 3, but usually it's 6 to 2. But it really kind of depends all on things scheduling wise, and that's why I'm working 7:30 to 3:30 today. Schedule wise, it didn't work out, so I'm scheduled later. So that means that I get to sleep in a little bit later. So I thought it'd be fun to film a little day in the life for you guys. Summer is basically here finally, thank God, like I needed it so bad. So I'm headed to work right now, so I probably won't film too much at work, like definitely on my break and stuff, but we'll see. But I mean, it's work, so I can't film a lot, but I will see you guys when I can at work, and then when I'm done, I'll see you guys after. I have a wound. Can you kiss it better?
Where? I got you.
As you can see, my boo-boo is still a boo-boo. It has not recovered yet, but that is okay. But it's break time, so I have my second coffee of the day. It's just a caramelized coffee, nothing crazy. Just, I always put extra caramel in it. So I usually do smalls because I'm usually working and I'm not gonna finish a medium. I barely finish a small sometimes, depending on how busy we are during my shift. So I usually just do smalls. So I usually do 4 pumps of caramel and then 2 cream, which is the normal, and then just coffee. Delish. And then I got a chicken sandwich from BK, which is also very good. Shout out to Alexis for making it for me. I appreciate you so much. And now it is break time. It's 12 right now. I have 3.5 hours left of my shift. It was really busy this morning when I got here, but it slowed down significantly. I'm having a good time. and I'm hyped to eat my food, watch my shows, scroll on social media, do all the things. Okay, well, it is now time to go home, so that is what I'm doing. It's 3:30, and like I said, I'm going home. So I'm gonna get dressed and ready right now when I get home and head over to Mason's, and we're gonna go out. I don't really know what the plan is, but I know that we're gonna go out. We're gonna do something. It's gonna be very fun, so I'm excited. It's about to storm. Really bad for like hours. Of course now it's not gonna thunder. It's been thundering every 5 freaking seconds, but the second I turn my camera on so you guys can hear it, it's not gonna do it. That's fine. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god. I'm so pissed off that again I was facing the wrong direction, because I literally turned around and I saw that lightning and I'm like, oh okay, sure. The second I turn around, that's when we're gonna have some really cool lightning. So you guys missed that too. Whatever. But then I was like, well, at least we'll get to hear the thunder, which you did. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's starting to rain. I can feel it, I think. Maybe I'm insane. I don't see it. I just feel like I feel it. I don't know. Oh! I almost, oh, yep, right on my face. I almost dropped the recycling bin. My dad and brother are golfing right now. They're about to get kicked off, poor guys. It's starting to rain. I just brushed my hair. I was gonna use my blowout brush and do a little blowout, but I feel like I really don't need to. I feel like we're looking good and I like it. And the storm ended, so I feel like we're back on track. I low-key didn't want to go out in the storm. I was like, okay, we're not doing anything. But now the storm's done, so we are so back. Literally right after that, it started raining. Wait, I think it stopped again. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, it looks like it stopped again. I could not tell you what is happening right now. Very confused. I am genuinely confused.
Good check.
Good check.
Very pretty. Very good.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that fizz. Oh, you can't really see it. Wait.
No, you can.
Ooh,
You can see
yeah,
it.
yeah. That's cool.
I literally passed out right after that, so I forgot to make an outro or even say anything close. I'm like, oh, I'm just getting sleepy, I'm gonna go to bed. Like, I literally was watching Hell's Kitchen, and then next thing I know, I woke up the next morning. So I'm sorry that you didn't get an outro or anything. I fell asleep. But that was pretty much the end of it. That's all you missed, was just Mason and I watching Hell's Kitchen and then falling asleep. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.